Good day. I'm Franz De Leon of the UP Electrical and Electronics Engineering Institute. I'm here to present our completed project entitled Development of Prototype Designs of Musical Instruments using Select Philippine Bamboo Species and Processing Technologies. Bamboo has long been used as musical instrument in the country. Our ancestors developed the traditional instruments that are used in recreation and rituals. Given the influence of Western culture, we also developed and adopted bamboo instruments that conform to the more familiar chromatic scale. The K-12 curriculum requires students to learn bamboo instruments in their music subjects. Hence, there is a significant increase in demand for bamboo instruments. However, it was observed that the sound and structural qualities of locally made products have problems in terms of tuning and durability that often leads to bukbok or infestation from wood borers. Knowing the industry's current state leads to an opportunity for the instrument-making community to be reinforced using science and engineering. Moreover, it opens up the possibility of utilizing other local bamboo species. Hence, the Bamboo Musical Instruments Innovation Research and Development Program was born to address this gap. The BMI program provides a comprehensive solution in upgrading the workflow. It is a collaboration between DOST-FPRDI and UP Diliman. The first three components include documentation, applying protective processing technology, and building a processing facility. The fourth component, which is our completed project, focuses on developing prototypes using new bamboo species and applying processing techniques developed at FPRDI. The whole prototyping activity is done in close coordination with FPRDI. The raw materials are sourced, prepared, and treated by FPRDI. The samples or prototypes are then sent to UP-EEI for acoustic and vibration tests. The test results are then fed back to FPRDI for documentation and to determine the effects of the species selected or the effects of coating. Among the different local bamboos studied by the program, these were considered for prototyping: black bamboo, giant bamboo, beito bamboo, Kawayan tinik, and bolo. Kiln drying and thermal modification were applied to reduce the moisture content of the bamboo samples. Based on the results, thermally modified bamboo are less prone to frequency detuning than kiln-dried samples. Two types of finishes were applied to the prototypes: nitrocellulose and polyurethane. Both increases the overall appeal and provides additional layer of protection, especially against wood borers. Now let's move on to the application of signal processing techniques. Each sample instrument was played and recorded. The sound recordings are then transferred to the computer for further analysis. The spectrum of each audio recording was determined. The spectrum reveals the significant frequency content of a sound that will help explain its perception. A number of derived features were extracted from the spectrum. Aside from acoustic analysis, the project also performed vibration tests. The vibration tests characterize the physical behavior of the instrument when it is played. This is important to understand as the vibration modes are directly connected with the physical attributes of the bamboo, such as its density and moisture content. The BMI program was severely affected by the pandemic. Nevertheless, the staff persevered and the project was able to produce the following sets of instruments. We have angklung made from Kawayan tinik, beito, and black bamboo, marimba from giant bamboo, and bumbong from black bamboo and Kawayan tinik. To cap the project, a prototyping manual was drafted that documents the recommended techniques in producing the instruments. The manual is expected to be made available within the year. When the whole program is completed, it would be beneficial to bamboo producers in terms of increased demand and prolonging the shelf life of the harvested bamboo poles. Meanwhile, bamboo instrument makers can adopt the technologies and processes to produce quality products. Before I end my presentation, let's see and hear the prototypes from the DOST-FPRDI Himig Agham Kawayan with Colonel Gilbert Ramos and Maestro Ronel Ramos. Thank you for listening. If you're interested for more details, feel free to email me and our program leader. Magandang agham po sa inyong lahat.